What's up, dudes? I I don't know. Anyways, this is a opening and first impressions of the Stanley 70 piece. Yeah, you get the idea. It's this thing. Just read the titles down there. Right? How is YouTube laid out again? Yes, titles down there. This is the opening, unboxing, and the first impressions. I don't know why my voice changed like that. That was loud. And, see? Still got the little zip tie thing on here, so let's open this whore and a half up. Let's try it that way. Ooh, you son of a bitch. Okay. Sure. Boker Auto. Somebody asked last time on what the knife I was using was. So this is a Boker AK-74 Auto. In Flat Dark Earth, I think it's called. Black blade. You get the idea. Alright. Let's open this son of a mother up. First off, I don't like this. The sticker, it seems like you'd want it on the other way so it's not, Stanley's not upside down. Like, the Hyper Tough is up. The handle's up, sticker's up. Handle up, sticker's pointing down. So, that I thought was kind of weird. Whatever. This, how does this work? How do you work? Oh, okay. So, they don't come open that far. They just snap. Snap. Ooh. Ooh. Hey. Girl, who you looking good so? Who are you looking so good for? I can't talk. Hello, human. Anyways, there we go. Let's see. Here. Let's do that. Come on now. That's kind of annoying. Ooh, that's like that's a lot of tooth one. That's a 72 tooth ratchet. 72 tooth ratchet. Once again, I can't word. Feels good. Feels good. Actually, hold on. Sorry for making everyone deaf. Where's the damn? Okay, sure. Where's? Okay. Here's a Craftsman Evo, what the fuck ever they're called, and it's interesting. I'm not sure the tooth count on this motherfucker, but anyways, where's the other one at? Oh, right here. No, this is, well, whatever. Yeah, Craftsman, Stanley. I like Craftsman. It works. Hyper Tough works too, so even the Chinese shit works. Yes, I know Craftsman is made in China, but it's quality China. What words are coming out of my mouth? Anyways. Feels good. Okay, that's annoying. These fuckers are in there. I guess they're not gonna go anywhere. Shit. Yeah, they're fucking in there. Alright. Let's, a little push buttony thing. It's not bad, actually. Feels nice and... It feels heavy. I know, like, weight doesn't prove quality or what the fuck ever, but it's like a mental thing. The heavier things just feel better when it comes to this shit. Yeah. Come on. Yeah, I mean, I like it. So, price. This is $34.88 at Walmart. It's a 70-piece set. Oh yeah, duh. Sorry. I apologize. See, the fucking sticker's upside down. Oh wait, no, it's not. So that sticker's right side up. Sorry. This is gonna be a loud video. That one's upside down, and I dropped something inside the cabinet. Cool. Anyways, I think this is made in China, right? Yep, made in China. It's got that focus. It's made of that Chinesium stuff. At least it's not made of Taiwantanium, right? Oh yes. Okay, so I get the stupid thing to focus. You can do it. I believe in you. Feel free to pause the screen when you get to a spot you think you might like. There's the UPC code. For those of you who don't know, UPC stands for Uniform Product Code. I think. Probably, I don't know, Google it. I'm just some random asshole on YouTube. Okay, there's that. Overall, compared to, as far as socket sets are concerned, I've never had like a Craftsman socket set, but I'm familiar with Craftsman bullshit. I've only had like Chinese socket sets. When I was a kid, I had some random cheap ass Chinese socket set my dad bought for me. So this is probably the most expensive socket set that I've ever gotten. On that note, did I say it was $38? Yeah. It's $34.88 plus tax. And I got it for, well, here, I'll just show you. 1 second. Okay, if you have your Walmart app, oh, it's still there. I just bought this today. See, it says it's $23.98. And if I, 1 second again. The regular in-store price is $34.88. And, yeah. So what I did was I did the skinny thing. Why aren't you working? You whore. Work! Okay. I did the scanner thing. I scanned it at I'm doing this to the camera. Come on. Oh, you whore. I hate you. There, it pops up. Then you go to the checkout. What was it? I don't know. Anyways, yeah, did that. I was like, hey, you guys match your website? And she was like, yes, certain products. And this was one of the products. I can't remember how she told me how to... oh, it's right there. Sold as shipped by Walmart. I think it has to say that. I think it has to say that if they do the price match thing for the website. So, yeah. All in all, first impressions, I fucking love it, dude. This is really fucking cool. It's weird, like, I don't know. Because, you know, like I said, I'm used to Craftsman. I use Craftsman tools most of my time. The reason I bought these socket sets in the first place was because I was sick of not having tools when I was, like, in my truck and I had to help out someone with a car thing or help out someone with a fucking screen door or some bullshit like that. Why not? So I was like, I'm going to get a socket set, and thus sending me on this journey of buying cheap socket sets. This is a $40 socket set that I got for $24, which is cool. And it, quality-wise, it feels better than this. Even the fucking case. This is pretty flexible, and the fucking sockets bounce around inside it, so I have to shove some cardboard in there to make them not do that. This feels fucking solid. Excuse me. So, I'm excited. I will do a follow-up video, which may take a year from now, which it seems like, because, yeah, this is going to find a home somewhere. I don't know. This is my new truck socket set. I need a wrench. Shit. Guess I'm gonna go get a Stanley adjustable wrench. I don't know, I guess. Alright. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, cool. If you didn't like it, cool. I'm just here to give someone a heads up on this shit. I don't, comment, ask questions, tell me what you didn't like, what you did like. I appreciate it. The feedback helps. Alright. Thanks for watching. Have a good night, morning, afternoon, Christmas, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Kwanzaa. Yay.